My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
Favorite tool, it always changes. Angle grinder right now. It's a $40 tool that can cut, sand. You could probably drill with it, but I wouldn't recommend it. But you can power carve wood, you can cut steel, you can cut masonry stuff. And that would be my one desert island stranded tool. Probably something food related, and I'd lump that in with making. Probably bread or rice or something very basic like that. But in terms of like hard goods, probably I think wooden swords or some sort of spear. Be prolific rather than be excellent, and then also think about what your personality is like. Are you a meticulous person that wants to go deeper and become a craftsman, or are you a generalist that's going to end up being more of an inventor by sort of mixing together different genres of stuff? There's no right way to make things. There's only the way that's taking the most advantage of what you already have.